श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किकेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां यज्ञोपास्महे शुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानविश्राणनबद्धदीक्षं दयानिधिं देवदां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवमहं प्रपद्ये दिशन्तु मे देवसदा त्वदीयाः दयातरङ्गान् कटाक्षाः श्रोत्रेषु पुंसाममृतं क्षरन्ति सरस्वतीं संश्रितकामधेनुं व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसिजै पुस्तकं शृङ्गदत्ते विद्रद्भिन्नस्फटिकरुचिरे प्रतीकेर्षण्णः अम्बानश्रीरमृतविशदैरंशभिप्लावयन्माम् आविर्भूयाः जनकमहिमा मनसे वागधीशः। Here we are watching the sentence formation. I hope you have done this homework. Let us go for the oral practice. So volunteers can join. You can make 4 into 4 into 4, 16 sentences. You can frame 16 sentences in this. Okay, any 5, anybody can say 5, minimum to 5 or 4 enough.
Adiyan. Janakah kutra gacchati.
Very good, uttamam.
Janakah.
No, 1 minute. The first word, the first column is compulsory. Okay, you have to use all 4. Okay.
Okay.
The next one is option 5.
Tvam api vadasi.
Very good. Uttama.
Aham kutra aham kutra kadami. Amba kutra pashyati.
Very good. Uttam. Very good. Uttam.
Dhanyavad Sri Swami.
Vishnu Varadan. Varada Vishnu, then Kshiraja.
Ariyan, நான் வந்து ஜனகஹ எழுதல. कविता लिखति रमेशः अपि लिखति.
Where are you reading?
त्वं अपि.
No. You have to select the words from here, from the box. Okay, and frame the sentence. You have to use only these words.
Okay, Riyan. Aham namami. Api.
Aham api namami. Where is namami? You did not understand. No, take one word from one column, the first column. Take another word from second column. Take suitable verb from the third column.
Ariyan, api. Second column. Sureshah kadami, Rameshah api kadami.
No. See, take one word from the first one. Janakaha. Take Janakaha. Okay. Out of 4, you will take one by one, all 4.
Adiyan, one minute, Adiyan. Varada Vishnu, are you looking at the screen? There are some words shown on the screen. அத பாத்துட்டு இருக்கியா நீ?
பாத்துட்டு தான் இருக்கேன் அடியன்.
So you have to look at the screen and then sir இது கோவிந்தராஜ் மாம் சொல்ற மாதிரி.
See, there are 3 columns here. Can you see?
Yes அடியன்.
Column 1, column 2, column 3. 4 words are there in each column. Okay?
Yes அடியன். நான் இருக்கேன்.
column 1 ல இருந்து ஒரு வேர்ட் எடுத்துக்கோ, then column 2 ல இருந்து ஒரு வேர்ட் எடுத்துக்கோ, and column 3 suitable word எடுத்துக்கோ.
அடியன் त्वं अत्र पठसि.
Very good. That's all. Patasi is not there. Vadasi only there.
त्वं अत्र वदसि. त्वं अत्र वदसि.
Okay. Janakah?
जनकः எழுதுலடியேன்.
I want all 4. Janakah, Tvam, Aham, Amba. All these 4 to be used.
அடியேன் இப்ப எழுதுலடியேன்.
அடியன் அடுத்த போயிட்டு அப்புறம் திருப்பி.
ஆமா அடுத்த வரதட்சணை அப்புறம் வரட்டும்.
ஷீரஜா you can try.
அடியன் जनकः तत्र गच्छति.
Very good.
त्वम् अपि वदसि.
Correct.
अहं तत्र खादामि.
अहम् अत्र खादामि.
अहम् अत्र खादामि. अम्बा कुत्र पश्यति.
Correct. उत्तम.
अडियन् धन्यवादः.
Next.
Shraddha Shravan, you can go next.
अडियन् जनकः कुत्र गच्छति. त्वम् अपि वदसि. अहं तत्र खादामि. अम्बा अत्र पश्यति.
Very good. Uttam. Next.
Again Shravan. जनकः कुत्र वदसि. गच्छति. त्वम् अपि वदसि. अहं तत्र खादामि. अम्बा अत्र पश्यति. अडियन् धन्योऽस्मि.
Very good.
Varada Vishnu, are you ready? If you want, otherwise Abhirat, are you ready, Varada Vishnu?
Oh yes अडियन्.
Okay.
जनकः तत्र वदसि. जनकः तत्र गच्छति. त्वम् अपि खादामि.
Tvam, when Tvam is there, what should be the ending? What should be the ending? See, name. Okay. Any name, what should be the ending? Any name, the verb should be ending with "e". Okay. Tvam. See. Aham. Ami.
Okay, Aryan.
This is the basic one. Okay.
Tvam api vadasi.
Twamapi vadasi.
Aham api kadami. Amba Amba putra pashyati.
What? Pashyati, correct. Okay. Then next. Very good.
Abhirat, you can read now. You can try now.
Aryan. Janakah kutra gacchati. Tvam api vadasi. Aham tatra pashyati.
Aham. No.
Aham tatra kadami. Amba atra pashyati.
Correct.
Aryan, Danyasmi.
Anyone else
Next.
who wants to try forming sentences? I think this is a good opportunity for everyone to try, because you can read out to Govindran Swami and he can correct you directly. So please use this opportunity.
No, we will call the students then if they don't want to come.
Aryan. Aditya, you can go. Aditya has asked, you can go.
Aryan Aditya. Janakah api gacchati.
No. Gacchati.
Janakah api gacchati. Tvam putra vadasi. Aham tatra kadami. Amba atra pashyati.
Very good, very good. You understood how it should be. See here. Any name, verb should end with anti. Tvam si. Aham ami. The verb should end with ami. This is the procedure. Okay. Anyone else is there? Not there. Okay. Same type of words. Mrigaha, khagaha, chhatraha, aham, tvam. Okay? Tvam. Na. Aharnisham. Okay? Shanaihi. Shighram. Then what else? Aharnisham, Shighram, Na, Aharnisham, then okay. Sharad. Yeah. Padhati. Utpatati. Utpatati. Pathati. Pathati. Vadasi. Vadasi. Chalami. Chalami. Then charat. These are the 5 verbs. See, again this formula should be there. Okay, when name comes, T is the ending. When Tvam is there, C is the ending. When Aham is there, Ami is the ending of the word. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay. Now who is ready to say the sentences? Get that.
So volunteers, anyone? Anantasri, you can go. Sorry, 1 second. Is there anyone else who asked? Yeah, Anantasri, you can go.
Sorry, Dean Jayasri Sudarshana Mrigaha Shigram Mrigaha Shigram Mrigaha Shigram Charati Khagaha Na Khagaha na pathati.
Okay.
Chhatraha aharnisham pathati.
Very good.
Aham shanaihi chalami.
Very good. Uttamam.
Again, for the last sentence, what should I do?
Tvam. Start.
Tvam charati.
No, take any one of these 4. You can use any one.
Tvam shighram charati.
Okay. So since you have asked, I can give you one. Okay.
Okay. Tvam sarvada charati.
No. Tvam. When Tvam comes, what should be the ending of the verb?
Tvam sarvada charasi.
Charasi. You should not change. Already one word is there with C. Okay. That you have to pick up that word. Okay. Tell again. Tvam
sarvada charasi.
Uttamam. Very good.
Sanyasmi again.
Next.
Anyone else? Again, அவ என்ன பண்றானா verb மாத்துறான்னு நினைக்கிறேன் அடியேன்.
ஆமா அதேதான்.
புரியுதுங்கிறது அட்லீஸ்ட் தெரியுது.
They pick the word, one word எடுத்து அதுல இருந்து frame பண்ணிக்க. அந்த மாதிரி இல்ல. It's not frame sentences. It is to pick the words and frame sentences. So they are not supposed to use any other word. They have to use only these words from the table.
Correct. Anyone else? Manaswini Narayanan. Aharnisham means day and night.
Day and night, yes. Aharnisham, day and night. Shighram, you all know, quick. Na, not. Aharnisham, day and night. Shanaihi, slowly. Sarvada, always. Shighram, Shanaihi, opposite words. Okay? Even you can mix up this and tell. Chhatraha, Aharnisham, na vadati. na charati, like this. Okay, pathati, na pathati. Chhatraha aharnisham shanaihi pathati. Okay, Chhatraha aharnisham means day and night. Day and night. Shigram patati. Sarvada patati. Same way. Kagaha aharnisham shigram utpatati. Utpatati means flying. Utpatati means flying. Patati, reading. Vadasi, talk. Chalami means walk, go. Charati means grazing. Okay, so you can. Okay, next. Who is ready? Same team can tell once again, no problem. Swami.
Adiyan.
Whoever said they can tell once again.
Adhe order Prahlada, do you want to say?
Adiyan.
Ah.
Mrigaha na patati.
Correct.
Kagaha. Shigram.
Utpatati. Patati.
Chhatraha.
Chhatraha.
Aharnisham. Patati.
Correct.
Aham. Shanaihi. Chalami. Tvam. Sarvada. Vadasi.
Correct. Tvam sarvada na vadasi. That is also correct. You can mix up. Okay?
Okay, Adiyan Dhanyam Swami.
Very good. Mangalani Bhavantu. Next.
Next. Varada Vishnu, if you want, you can try. Then Shiraja.
Okay, Adiyan.
Whoever has not tried, if you would like, please volunteer and you can read the sentences. Varada Vishnu, you can go.
Mrigaha na Chalami.
No. When Ami should come. Very good. Mrigaha na patati. Very good. Uttama.
Kagaha. Shidraha. Shidram. Utpatati.
Very good.
Chhatraha. Aharnisham. Chalami.
No. When name is there, what should be the ending of the verb? No.
Chalami.
No. Ami should come only for aham. Ending of verb, Ami should be with only for aham.
Patati.
Patati, correct.
Aham shanaihi chalami.
Okay.
Sarvada vadasi. Dhanyam.
Very good. Next.
यार क्वेश्चन கேட்டிருக்கா உற்பத்தினா ஜம்பா
fly
okay
utpathina jump also one meaning is there na mainly utpathina rendume varum jump and fly rendume sollala
going up adha rising mari edha irundha
adha from one place to another place moving from one place to another place
அடியேன் அப்படினா உற்பத்தினா ஜம்ப் இல்ல
vanaraha utpatati kadaha utpatati both are accepted. Utpatati means from traveling from one place to another place through air.
Okay, and for something it is called jump, for something it is the meaning is jump, for something it is the meaning is fly.
When it comes to birds the meaning is fly. When it comes to frog, monkey, it is jump. Okay? Good. Very good.
So should we call out someone or SM 117, SM 120, SM 108, 109, 156, etc. Anyone who wants to try, please do. Aditya, you can.
Dear Aditya,
Start.
मृगः शीघ्रम् उत्पतति खगः न पठति छात्रः शनैः पठति
Correct.
अहम् अहर्निशं वदति
aham when aham is there what should be how it should be
अहर्निशं चलामि
very good
त्वं सर्वदा चरति
very good
चरति
vadati
अडियन् धन्योऽस्तु
मंगलानि next
Anatasri, you can try.
जय जय श्री सुदर्शन मृगः शीघ्रम् उत्पतति
मृगः शीघ्रम् उत्पतति okay which mriga is flying ma
खगः न खगः न चरति
very good
छात्रः अहर्निशं पठति
correct
अहं शनैः चलामि
very good
त्वं सर्वदा वदसि
correct very good
धन्योऽस्मि अध्ययन्
धन्योऽस्मि ma
Anyone else who wants to try? SM 117, Ramya Hiranmayi, SM 120, Raghuvira.
யார் முன்னார்லன்னா நான் என்ன நடத்துறது அப்புறம்? I have nothing to teach. Only they have to practice now.
Again. Anyone else wants to volunteer? SM Akshiraja, do you want to try again? Or
Again, can I try again?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
You can.
मृगः न उत्पतति. खगः शीघ्रं चलामि.
If you have to use.
Oh, not chalami. Charati. छात्रः अहर्निशं पठति.
Correct.
अहं शनैः चलामि. त्वं सर्वदा पठति.
Next step, last one. Tvam.
त्वं सर्वदा वदसि.
Correct. Next.
SM117, Ramya Hiranmi, you can exit and rejoin. There is a mute unmute button. If it's not working, just exit and then immediately rejoin. You should be able to do, and then you can try. Anyone else who wants to try? Aditya, you can go.
Dear Aditya, खगः न चरति. खगः शीघ्रम् उत्पतति. छात्रः सर्वदा पठति. अहं शनैः चलामि. त्वं सर्वदा वदसि.
Correct. Very good.
अहम् अहर्निशं चलामि.
Aham avarnisham.
चलामि.
Uttam. Very good.
Dear Daniel.
Very good. Very good.
Ramya Hiranmi, I have unmuted you. You can try. SM117. SM117, Ramya, hear me? Can you hear me? So anyone else who wants to read can try now. There will be a test at the end of October, which is basically to complete this level 0. So unless you practice and try now, you're not going to be able to pick up. So this is the best chance for everyone to practice and get your doubts cleared and corrected by Govindarajan Swami. So please try now. So SM117, if you are not interested, then we'll just move on to the next person. Anantasri, you can try.
Okay, dear. Mrigaha shighram charati. Khagaha na Khagaha na vadasi.
No. Khagaha is the name, no?
Khagaha na utpatati. Chhatraha.
Okay.
Again, you told Utpatati has flying meaning and jumping meaning. That is jumping meaning.
I love it. Good.
Mrigaha shighram charati, khagaha na utpatati, chhatraha aharnisham patati, aham shanaihi chalami, tvam sarvada vadasi.
Very good.
Nanyasmi adiyan.
Very good.
Yeah, Aditya, you can try.
Adiyan Aditya. Mrigaha aharnisham charati. Agaha sarvada utpatati. Chhatraha na vadasi. Aham. Chhatraha na pathati.
Okay.
Aham shanaihi chalami. Tvam na vadasi.
Okay.
Adiyan இது இப்படி கூட வரணும். Tvam sarvada vadasi. Tvam aharnisham vadasi.
Correct. Tvam shighram vadasi. Tvam na vadasi. Tvam aharnisham vadasi. Okay. If everybody is read, I will open a challenge. Okay. Everybody done, Swami?
Amadian. எல்லாருமே 3 4 5 people தான் படிச்சிருக்கா, பட் அவளே ரெண்டு தடவை அந்த மாதிரி படிச்சிட்டா.
Correct. No, challenge is now as many as number of sentences from this you can make. 10 15 like that.
அவ இப்ப சொல்லணுமா அடியன், இல்ல நெக்ஸ்ட் எண்ட் வரணுமா, இல்ல எப்படி அடியன்? அவ இப்பவே ட்ரை பண்ணலாம்.
இப்ப ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். 1 or 2 students can try.
So whoever wants to volunteer can volunteer and try to make as many sentences as possible, not just 3 or 4, but you can keep making as many sentences as you can. Shiraja, you can go.
मृगः शीघ्रं चरति. मृगः शीघ्रं उत्पतति. Again, this is a jump.
Jump, yeah, okay.
Yes. Then खगः न उत्पतति. खगः न चरति. खगः शीघ्रं उत्पतति.
Correct.
खगः छात्रः अहर्निशं पठति. छात्रः न पठति. छात्रः शीघ्रं पठति. छात्रः सर्वदा पठति.
Very good.
अहं शनैः चलामि. अहं सर्वदा चलामि.
अहं सर्वदा शनैः चलामि. अहं सर्वदा शीघ्रं चलामि. अहं सर्वदा शीघ्रं न चलामि. See how we can mix.
अहं सर्वदा शीघ्रं न चलामि.
Next. Continue.
त्वं सर्वदा वदसि. त्वं सर्वदा न वदसि. त्वं सर्वदा शीघ्रं वदसि. त्वं शीघ्रं वदसि. त्वं न वदसि. त्वं अहर्निशं वदसि. त्वं शनैः वदसि.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Next.
Shraddha, you can try.
Again. मृगः शीघ्रं उत्पतति.
Very good.
मृगः शीघ्रं चरति. खगः न उत्पतति. खगः न अधीनदर्च इन्नूर
पठति. खगः न पठति.
खगः न पठति. छात्रः अहर्निशं पठति. अहं शनैः चलामि.
You can frame 5 sentences with aham chalami. How you know?
Again, okay. Aham शनैः चलामि. अहं न चलामि. अहं सर्वदा चलामि.
Very good.
अहम् अहर्निशं चलामि.
Correct.
अहं शीघ्रं चलामि.
उत्तमं. Very good. त्वं
सर्वदा वदसि. त्वं न वदसि. अडियन्.
No, you can use shanaihi, shigram.
Okay, अडियन्. त्वं शनैः वदसि. त्वं अहर्निशं वदसि. त्वं शीघ्रं वदसि.
Very good. Okay.
अडियन्. धन्यवादः.
Very good. What about others?
Adiyan. Sare yarum. Aditya, you want to try again?
Adiyan.
Yeah, you can try.
मृगः शनैः चरति. खगः न उत्पतति. खगः न पठति. छात्रः अहर्निशं पठति.
Okay.
अहं न चलामि त्वं शीघ्रं वदसि छात्रः न उत्पतति खगः शनैः उत्पतति अहं सर्वदा चलामि त्वं न वदसि मृगः न चरति छात्रः
listen mrigaha charati is there, no? You can make it 5 sentences, so totally 25. You can frame 25 sentences in this. Out is mrigaha charati is there, right? Mrigaha shigram charati, mrigaha na charati, mrigaha aharnisham charati, mrigaha shanaihi charati, mrigaha sarvada charati. Yeah.
Adiyan Danyasmi.
Next.
Again Anantashri, you can try.
Good. Let us try maximum number of. Yeah. Every word here in mrigaha, kagaha, chatraha, aham, tvam. With this you can frame each 6 sentences. So 6 into 5, 30 sentences. You can frame 30 sentences minimum. Yeah.
Okay, dear. Vedasri to Darshana, Mrigaha, Shigram, Nagaha, Shigram, Charati. Mrigaha,
Where is Charati? Charati or Chalati? Which one is it?
Charati.
Very good. Go ahead.
And here I should not change the verb, right?
Last one is verb.
Okay, again we should not change it, right?
We should not change.
Mrigaha na utpatati. Mrigaha aharnisham charati. Khagaha shanaihi utpatati.
Okay.
छात्रः अहर्निशं पठति.
Very good.
छात्रः शनैः उत्पतति.
Correct. Shanaihi utpatati, Chatraha. Okay. You have taken as jump.
Yes.
Okay.
छात्रः शीघ्रं उत्पतति. अहं शनैः चलामि. त्वं सर्वदा वदसि. त्वं शनैः वदसि. त्वम् अहर्निशं वदसि. त्वं न वदसि.
Okay.
त्वं शीघ्रं वदसि.
Tvam shigram vadasi.
अहम् अहर्निशं चलामि.
Okay.
अहं न चलामि. अहं शीघ्रं चलामि. छात्रः न पठति. छात्रः शीघ्रं पठति.
Okay.
छात्रः शनैः पठति. खगः अहर्निशम् उत्पतति. I have taken a fly again.
Very good.
खगः शीघ्रम् उत्पतति. मृगः सर्वदा चरति. मृगः अहर्निशं चरति.
Good.
मृगः शनैः चरति.
Okay.
मृगः न चरति.
Very good.
मृगः शीघ्रं चरति. धन्यवादः अडियन्.
Very good. Mangalani Bhavantu. Can I Q&A session irundha person kekattu?
Adiyan. Varada Vishnu, do you want to try or should we go to Q&A?
அடியேன் ட்ரை பண்றேன்.
Okay.
मृगः न उत्पतति.
Okay.
उत्पतति फ्लाई अडियेन. फ्लाई
Utpatati fly or jump.
मृगः न पतति. मृगः अहर्निशं चरति.
Okay.
मृगः न चरति. खगः न पठति. खगः न चरति. खगः न उत्पतति. छात्रः अहर्निशं पठति. छात्रः अहर्निशं वदति.
That combination will not come. छात्रः शीघ्रं पठति.
छात्रः शीघ्रं पठति. छात्रः शनैः चरति.
छात्रः शीघ्रं चरति. No.
चरति.
न चरति. छात्रः न चरति.
छात्रः शीघ्रं न चरति. अहं शनैः वदति.
No.
अहं शनैः चलामि. अहं न चलामि. अहं शीघ्रं चलामि.
Okay.
त्वं सर्वदा वदति. त्वं अहर्निशं वदति. त्वं शीघ्रं न वदति. धन्यवादः.
Okay. Thank you.
அடியன் வேற யாரும் இல்ல அடியன்.
சரி முடிச்சிக்கலாமா?
அடியன்
Q&A இருந்தா போடு.
Q&A இருந்தா வேணா எனேபிள் பண்ணி பாக்குறேன்.
சரி. ஓகே.
Again, Aditya. Aharnisham na. Always adi.
Day and night.
Day and night.
Sarvada
Okay.
is always. Sarvada is always.
Shanayi na every week.
Shanayina slowly.
Okay, dear.
Shanayhi slowly. Next.
யாரும் இல்லை அடியன்.
Okay. முடிச்சுக்கலாமா?
அடியன் முடிச்சுக்கலாம்.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्, सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि, सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु, सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु. ओम शांति शांति शांति.